Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? So today's video is gonna be on a 1994 Volvo 850. This is just a regular naturally aspirated engine. I am not 100% sure what engine. I'm gonna maybe tell you guys in a minute, but yeah, I have a weird issue on this car, so I decided to make a video about it. I only found one thread online, try to search up maybe in the Volvo forums. I only found one guy that actually mentions this exact problem, and there's no answer to it, and it's a weird one. A lot of people thought he was just kidding or he doesn't know what he's talking about. Well, here you go. It's gonna be me, the second guy, and I'm probably gonna be the only one with this issue on YouTube. So if any of you guys Volvo gurus can help me out, please do. The issue I'm having, let me see if it even starts now. All right, let's see here. Nope, it hasn't been an hour. But anyways, so the issue I'm having with this car, it cranks not start with a new battery. It has a new fuel pump relay, I think anti-theft relay. I believe cam sensor is new. I looked at it. Spark plugs, wires, I believe wires are new also. Pretty much a lot of the stuff, ignition stuff, was changed. Besides this distributor, I think hasn't been changed, and that's about it. But at least to my knowledge, that's what the previous owner told me. But yeah, anyways, when I let the car sit for about 2 hours, 1 to 2 hours, you come, starts right up. I ride it or something, or I just shut it off. I try to start it again within an hour or two. It doesn't want to start. I hook up my pretty powerful jump starter, it starts right up. I don't know what the deal is, but if I start it up and I shut it off, let it sit for 2 hours, it starts up again. I don't know what the deal is, but yeah. And then when I try to start it, within those 2 hours, if I don't let it sit and I want to start it like 5 minutes later after riding it, let's say, it doesn't want to start. I hook up a jump starter, which is this one. How strong is this? It's this powerful. It's a 6,000 amp 12-volt jump starter, so it's pretty powerful. Even though I have a new battery, I still need to hook up a jump starter to get this car to start. I don't know, I haven't verified whether I don't have spark or fuel when I do that, when I try to start it, but yeah, I don't know what the deal is. Have you guys came across this? Cranks perfectly fine, battery brand new. I even put a really powerful battery, 900 co-cranking amps on it. Still didn't make a difference. Doesn't matter which battery I use, I still have to hook up a jump starter if I want to start it after, within 5 minutes after starting, or within an hour or something like that. But if I let it sit for 2 hours or so, come back, start it starts without a jump starter. I shut it off, try to start it. Again, it doesn't start unless I hook up a jump starter. What the heck is going on? I have no clue. If you guys can help me out or send this video to a Volvo guru, that would help me out. But I'm gonna demonstrate right now. You guys saw. Let me do it again. It cranks. It cranks very fast, so it's not a slow crank. The battery is powerful. I put the regular battery in it. It's a pretty new battery. I tried my very powerful 900 co-cranking amps. Also does the same thing, so the battery doesn't change anything. Yeah, and then as I mentioned already, fuel pump changed, fuel pump relay. I think anti-theft relay has been changed. Spark plug wires, the coil has been changed. I don't think the distributor was changed. That's the only thing I think hasn't been changed. I don't know whether that could be the issue. I mean, that's probably gonna be my last resort. I checked the fuses look good. I mean, I don't know what's going on with this car, but I'm gonna demonstrate right now. It doesn't start right now, doesn't crank. It cranks perfectly fine. I mean, it doesn't start. It cranks perfectly fine, just really fast, so it's not like a dead battery. I will hook up a jump starter and I'll show you guys that it starts. Okay, so let's start the video so you guys don't think I'm bluffing. Really fast crank, no start. Let's pop the hood. I got my jump starter. That's my jump starter beeping at me because I think the terminal's touched. Now let's open the hood. Okay, let's hook up the jump starter right there, turned on. Let's try to start it. What is this? That's just the parking brake. I have no clue. To me, it just tells me there's not enough amperage or enough power flow through some lines to somewhere. I don't know where. It could be a distributor, but I mean, I don't know. If I change that, I could change that, but if I change that, will that fix it? Or do any of you guys saw this problem before and know, okay, this is this, look at that? But cam sensor been changed, like I mentioned again, I'm going to repeat myself a couple times here. Fuel pump relay, anti-theft relay looks like it's been changed. Battery has been changed. So this car, once you start it, it doesn't even have issues. It runs beautifully. Like, this is just, it's getting to me a little bit. I looked through fuses, I looked through relays that could affect this. I mean, it works fine. The car, once you start it runs perfectly fine. You know, help me out here. Leave me a comment, let me know in the comments below what could be the issue here. I'm trying to learn Volvos and I never came across an issue like this. This is just weird. It doesn't make any kind of sense to me. I mean, it does a little bit. Like, I obviously know there's not enough juice to something. Like, either this jump starter has a lot of amperage, so it's a very powerful. This is a semi-truck jump starter. It starts up as a semi-truck. It's been verified by a lot of my friends. They buy it off Amazon, sell it to the truck guys, and they actually prove to the truck guys that it starts with the dead trucks. So this is a very powerful jump starter. So the jump starter obviously sends a lot of amperage somewhere, so it gives enough juice to something that doesn't have it without it. So I mean, maybe some wire somewhere, or could a bad distributor or worn distributor do that? Let me know, guys. But yeah, I never seen this before. I just thought I might make a video, so you know, people don't think that guy in the Volvo forums, I don't know, in 2016 or whenever that forum was, doesn't think, you know, he's crazy, because, you know, I'm the second one here and looking at the same exact issue. Because my friend, when he had the same issue. He started replacing, he replaced all those parts, and no luck. I replaced the fuel pump after him, thinking it was that, and started doing the exact same thing. So I don't know. It's like, yeah, sometimes I get lucky, sometimes it starts like 3 times in a row, sometimes it does, but yeah, it's rare. Usually if it cranks and doesn't start, I hook up a jump starter, starts right up. Or if I let it sit for like 2 hours, come back, it starts up. So I don't know what the deal is with this car. No lights, no nothing. It doesn't have the OBD2 port, so it's not like I can scan, you know, the system and see maybe it has a code. So yeah, let me know in the comments below, guys, what you guys think. So yeah, I kind of want to keep this car. It's a manual, it runs beautifully. I want to start maintenance stuff. I don't know if anybody changed the transmission oils and differential oils and all that. I want to start doing that, but if this car is going to keep doing this, I'm going to just maybe make it through this year and just scrap it, or put a big turbo on and blow it up or something, because this is annoying. I want to fix the issue, but if I replace the distributor, there's nothing else to change in this car. Everything else has been changed. So, you know, I don't want to tear the whole car apart looking for the little bitty wire or something. You know, it's just not worth my time. This is going to take weeks of time of looking through, tearing the whole car apart, looking through all the wires. Maybe not weeks, but days definitely, and I don't have that time right now. Like, I want to modify my car, my red car. I already have a bunch of parts coming for preparing for stage 3. I'm almost there, and yeah, I don't have the time to mess with this car. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think is wrong with it. And as usual, thank you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, whoever you think is knowledgeable enough with the Volvos, maybe, or in general, maybe. I mean, maybe somebody's seen this kind of issue. I never seen it. I mean, I've seen thousands of cars. I mean, over the years working on cars, I've seen a lot of different problems, a lot of, yeah, I never seen this. So let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys for watching. Again, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as usual, see you next time.